Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, we are going to talk about the H&R Black taxes. So, in this video, I am going to show you first on how you can sign up for an account. Okay, so right here at the top right, you have this option. So all you have to do is to simply click on this one, okay, and then click on the create account option. And then just have to wait for a couple of seconds. Then make sure that you are from any of this region or country so that you can have your mobile number right here because they will send you the security verification code. So if you are not from any of this country or region like me, then you can really sign up for an account. So here you just have to tap out your email, your mobile number, your password, and then you just have to confirm your password. After that, check this box right here and then click on next. But since I'm not from any of this region, so we cannot really access the dashboard in this video. So what I'm going to do here is to discuss to you here the taxes. So we have the file online, the file with a tax pro, and then the tax software. So let's start with the file online. So right here, you can get your online tax filing done by October 15. So you can switch to H&R Block and get unlimited expert help for less than TurboTax. Okay, so right here we have the different plans. So we have the free online, we have the deluxe, premium, and the self-employed. Okay, and then we have here the different features included. All right, and then right here you can file on your own but never alone. So you have an unlimited expert help. So do your own taxes with confidence, and then get unlimited access to AI tax assist and live human help when you file with deluxe, premium, or self-employed. And then here we have the tax pro review. So if do your taxes yourself, then have a pro review your return with 100% accuracy guaranteed. So you can add tax pro review to any do-it-yourself tax prepped option at any time in the filing process. Okay, so here see why 20 million plus clients choose the block. So for every return, they guarantee you 100% accuracy, and then maximum refund, and then no surprise pricing. So here, all you have to do is to download the H&R Block Tax Prepped app. Then you can do your own taxes on any device with unlimited expert help, import or upload your documents at your own pace. So as you can see right here, you have these details when you log in using the application. All right. So here, included tax situations, we have this information right here, and then the excluded tax situation. Okay, so now let's proceed to the next one. We have here the file with a tax pro. Okay, so right here, file however you want. So you can file from home, in person, and even drop off. So when we say from home, okay, so let me just see the full details for this one. So you can file with a tax pro virtually. So if you prefer to work with your tax pro from the comfort of home, so with the virtual tax prep, you can upload your documents using the phone, computer, or tablet and connect with your pro as needed. So this one, it's starting at $99. Okay, and then here's how virtual tax prep works. So first, you just have to tell them about yourself, and then you have to find your tax pro. So they will connect you with a tax pro in your area who matches your needs, and then connect as needed. So if either of you have questions, you can connect it from anywhere on any device over video, phone, or secure messaging, and then review and relax. So your tax pro will get to work, just review and approve your return from anywhere. And then here you can enjoy all of these benefits. So relationships to rely on, and then skip the office, connect your own time, and then just take a picture and then keep tax prepped on track. And then ways to work with your tax pro. Here we have virtually, in office, and drop off. So you have that details right here as well. Okay, so again, we have here 100% accuracy, maximum refund, and then no surprise pricing. Okay, so now let's go back to the previous page. Okay, so here how you prepare for your tax appointment. So they will walk you through where to go and what to bring and what to expect. Okay, so let's click on the learn more. Okay, so before your appointment, they will collect your personal information. So you'll need the following for you: your spouse and any dependents. So date of birth, driver's license, SSN, or tax ID and financial account info to receive a refund or pay a balance. And then next, gather your documents. So answer a few questions to create a customized checklist based on your tax situations, and then upload your documents to MyBlock. So this gives your tax pro time to review your documents so that you can save time during your appointment. Next, for the during your appointment. So we have a 60-minute appointment. So your appointment time may vary based on how simple or complex your taxes are. So the length of your appointment may also be affected if you are missing the documents. Next, taking with your pro. So you will sit down with your pro to make sure they fully understand your tax situation, and then staying in touch. So if you have any additional questions after your appointment, you can message your pro on my Black option. All right, now let's proceed to the next one. We have here the tax software. Okay, so let me just click on this one. All right, and then let's proceed to the tax software. So you can get 5 federal e-files with H&R Black tax software. So you just have to select all the filters that apply to find your personal file experience. For example, you have kids, you own a home, you need estate filing, you're a freelancer, and own a rentals. Then it will show you the recommended plan for your current situation. So based on the selected items at the top, the recommended plan is the premium. So here, everything in deluxe plus state plus built for complex taxes like 1099s, covers rental property income and expenses. And then this one is for $95. So you just have to download this and then pay for the amount. So you can save money when you auto renew. And then here, you can file the state taxes, easily import your federal tax return in your state return with the step-by-step guidance. Okay, so again, we have here how the tax prep software works. So step 1, step 2, and step. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.